And hello again, here we are, 2018 Jayco Swan. We've just resealed the roof, we've redone the internal roof. This thing is just an absolute cracker. It's a beautiful van, really worth coming down and have a look at. One of those adventure vans that you can get away with the kids. What say we go and have a look inside? Well, I'm that relaxed in this van, I could nearly fall asleep. So here we are, 2018 Jayco Swan, as I said. The internals on this one as well are just fantastic. The seating's in great nick. You've got the table drop down to bed. You've got the wardrobe, J-pod situation where you've got all your little buttons and everything. Great van, great product. You know, you've got your hot water system, got everything. Just a great getaway van for the kids on the weekends and the family. I'd love to be away in this one in Easter. Get down 89 Dixon Road, Rockingham RV, and come down and have a look at our beautiful consignment vans.